Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim, also known as Caro Design. You ready? Here it is. It is my official first Franken planner from Erin Condren. Now it looks like a daily duo, and it is. The daily duo is what inspired this because I really like a week view, a daily view, and a month view, and I thought I'd put them all together in this perfect planner. Now I also added a couple other things, pages from the spring seasonal surprise box, lots of note pages, and so that's why it's so big. So let's flip through this big bad boy. I know it's my only planner for 2 months, but it's absolutely dreamy, and I think you'll like it too. So stay tuned, here's the flip. Yes, I know I get to do this in about 10 more days when I get my vertical neutral, but I wanted to put a mock-up together to make sure that this is actually what I want to do, and it is. So here's the flip through. Obviously, I'm choosing my layers cover. I love this layers cover. When my other ones come, they're going to be neutral, and it actually has 2020 for the first couple months and then 2021, and then it has the date range. So then the first date range would be July through September, and then October, December. You guys get the drift. So the script part is actually the date. It looks really good, at least on I guess the computer. So of course, this is from my monthly deluxe. That is one of the planners I stole from. I never really got into my monthly deluxe, and so I have a lot of pages from it that I really did use. So I know that this is like already passed, but it had this tab, so I really don't care. It's just this quick view is what I wanted. And then of course I have these pages. Don't know if I'm going to use them because this is only the planner I'm going to use for the next two until June 30th, and then I get to start a new one. But again, this is just the protocol. I don't know if I'm going to use these. I've got 3 months. I might come up with something, this May, this month, June, July. I don't know. I have to think about it. So if you're gonna do this, the reason I picked a neutral as my vertical planner side, and that's what this is because it has a different color tab. So this gray tab really holds up to this old style, of course, the kaleidoscope that none of us really cared for. I never got into my neutral vertical very much. I don't know why. It just didn't flow right for me. I'm really much a daily planner, and so I went right from the daily planner lifestyle to a vertical, and it just wouldn't have enough room. So that's why I didn't use it. So I am using it in here though. I am going to use this as my inbox, all May timed events, and as you can see, I need to get this one all planned and pretty, but other than that, I'm going to keep flipping. I did adhere the first week. This is the first week of May and April. It was that weird half week. I did glue those two together to get me the first week view. I love these mini bookmarks. They're addicting. I made this video will be up probably on Wednesday. So that's what that is. It's just a piece of the layers sticky notes. Yes, and I stole Julie Plan's idea. So I love this idea. So it has all of my sticky notes ready to go. So I'll have that video up on Wednesday. I think you guys would really like it because I can write on it. It's not like your normal mini bookmark. It's like write-onable. So I use my wet erase markers on that one. I already made one up. I don't know where it went to, but I mocked up another one, and that's got my morning routine on it. So that's what that is. And then you keep flipping and you have all your weeks. Okay. Then you have a notes page because it's the last of the weeks, just like normal. And then I have May, and this is where I used this from the monthly deluxe again. This is going to be my content planner. So I have my inbox for regular life. Here is my content planner. Then it goes right into the dailies. I did glue the first daily page together with this one because it was the third and the second, Saturday and Sunday. So I did glue those together so I could flip right to it, and it works just great. And then I used the January 2021 daily pages to put in here. And so that's what these are. And they have a calendar like this right here that I did cover up with some stickers. And so it looks great. I really should have picked a different colorway. I'm not really wild about this green, but like it's 1 week. And I don't know. It just is not, I'm not feeling it. No, so I need to cover that one up. All right, moving on. So it has all my days there. So I'm gonna move my, my bookmark as I go along the day, so it'll be really easy to keep track of. Then I've got June, and it's the same thing. So I've got June, monthly, then all my weeks, then the June tab, which has my content planner. And then for June, I'm going to use February 2021. Don't know if I'm going to use this or not. I think the pink is really pretty. I just don't know. So I didn't glue it because I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. And then it has all my daily pages. Okay. So there you go. That's the mock-up. And that's going to be the same mock-up every single month when I move forward into my new Franken plan that I haven't actually figured out for July through September, blah, 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 all the 4 quarters. So now we've got July, and I stole these from my monthly deluxe. The Erin Condren hasn't put together a monthly deluxe for the layers yet. Unfortunately, I don't know when it's coming out. Probably, I think, in a couple weeks. And when it does, I will buy another planner. Yeah, I want everything to match. This looks fine. It's fine, I know. But I will be buying another planner and getting forward planning. And that's what the monthly deluxe is. When I incorporated it, it's going to be just a place for me to put all of the monthly stuff. And then I have a couple of notes pages after each month view. Okay, so it's just literally the guts, the month guts of the monthly deluxe. Now let's go to the end where I've got contacts. Now this is from the neutral vertical from 2019-2020. And since we're moving, I thought this would be a great thing to add to like plumbers, landscapers, things like that I might need in the new house or for this house. I've got that. And then I left this. I love this out of the neutral vertical. I love this. I wish we had it because I think it really will be helpful. So again, this is extra super forward planning. And then we come to the notes section, and just like here, this is going to be my life forward planning. This is going to be my content forward planning. Then I've got my notes section for reels. And in the surprise spring seasonal box, there was this vision. So I deconstructed that and added a lot of pages from here, and even the instructions and some reflection pages. And then after the reflection pages, it gets to the vision boards and stuff. So I added 8 pages of that. So that would correspond with my power sheets. Okay, so I've got those pages. And after that, I really liked the style of the surprise seasonal box journal. It's just so pretty. I love that just understated elegance of that. So I added, I believe it was 10 of those note pages. Then I added the dot grid that was in there as well. And then I added the plain paper that was in the journal. And that pretty much rounds it out. Again, I put the back page on here because I thought it looked really good. Instead of just having the white page, I really wanted this color here with the pocket. And I had an inspiration too. If you don't want to buy a monthly deluxe as well for forward planning, just use your perpetual calendar. You can flip to whatever month you want to forward plan, and it's always here with you. So that would be a cost saving. You already get 2 with your daily duo, so why not use it there? I did add my stickers here in the back, just the same 4 sheets of stickers that are the same ones that are in the Erin Condren sticker pack, but they're right here in the back of my planner. And then I have my back page. So that is the long and short of my quick flip through, my quad planner as I will call it. Again, it's a mock-up, and the cool part about it is I can uncoil it every single quarter, and it's not a pain in the butt. I don't mind at all because this takes up a whole lot less more space and has everything I need it for my entire life than the binder. Okay, I have loved the binder. enough. It's time to move into this, and I'm very excited about it. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. I'm so glad you liked it. I've got so much extra content with this layers in my brain. I've got so many things I want to share with you. So go ahead and like and subscribe, because you know you'll be back finding out about the Daily Duo and my mashup here. So, all right, I'll take care, guys. Love you. Bye.